Meet Breakfastzilla! Crispy tortilla, melty cheese, and exactly why I buy 24 eggs at Costco. First, I'm going to cut up some mushrooms. Next, I'm cutting the tomatoes. Now I'm coating the pan with oil, and then I'm adding breakfast sausage. I'm cutting the sausages into smaller pieces, then I'm adding the mushrooms and tomatoes right into the pan. Let everything cook together for a bit. Now I'm adding my favorite Cotija cheese. I love Cotija because it's salty, crumbly, and it makes the whole thing taste like I tried harder than I did. Then I'm adding fresh spinach. Now I'm cracking in 2 eggs, because this is Breakfastzilla. Add a little salt and pepper. This time I'm using the flour tortilla. Now I'm adding more cheese on top. Then I'm placing the tortilla right on top of everything and letting it cook. Now for the flip. Be confident, breakfast can sense fear. After flipping, I'm adding more cheese on the other side and placing another tortilla on top. So now we have crispy tortilla, melty cheese, eggs, sausage, and veggies. And that's it. Breakfastzilla is done. Crispy, cheesy, savory, and packed with protein. Would you eat this for breakfast, brunch, or Brinner? Because Breakfastzilla does not believe in time limits. Are you still hungry? Check out my other cooking videos for more recipes, and I'll see you in the next one.